Attention all staff. Incoming trauma patient in Sector 4. Prepare surgical theater immediately.
The renal metrics are stabilizing faster than anticipated.
Confirmed. Adjusting the regeneration sequence now.
The phase separation is clearer in these samples.
Confirmed. The data aligns with the visual confirmation.
We are clear for rotation. Data capture synchronized.
The AI confirms significant tissue degradation in the renal cortex.
Yes, the highlighted area correlates precisely with the biomarker spike we observed.
The renal graft looks stable.
Agreed. Proceed with the schedule.
Confirmed.
The thickness is holding steady at 50 microns.
Good. The density is perfect.
Alignment confirmed on the medial axis.
Reading stable. We have validation.
Flow consistency is still slightly off in Sector 3.
Increasing the pressure by 2 millimeters. Check the display now.
Inserting the catheter. Keep an eye on the pressure in the left ventricle.
Pressure is stable. Moving to the anterior wall now.
Confirmed. Proceed.
Vitals look good, Doctor.
Yes, the fluids are working well. Keep monitoring him closely.
Ready for extraction. Monitor vitals closely.
Vitals holding steady, doctor. Arms are clear.
We are showing full integration of the motion signals.
Confirmed. The patient is responding well.
We have stabilization.
All parameters are green.
The ventilator is adjusted. He's stabilizing.
Noted. I'll udate the chart now.
Look at the overall trend. The treatment is stabilizing the markers.
It confirms our hypothesis. We should proceed with an adaptive trial design.
Look at the stability improvement. Let's drop the assistance by 10%.
Done. The gait cycle is much smoother now.
Data stream is stable. Looks like a full recovery.
Excellent. We are good to proceed.
This confirms the successful integration we discussed post-op.
The vascular remodeling is very encouraging.
I've lowered the systolic alert to 980.
Acknowledged. Vitals remain stable.
The refinement looks correct. The pediatric dosage should be adjusted here.
I concur. That resolves the interaction risk.
Excellent work, team.
All right, lift the left leg now. Easy, steady.
Good control. Keep it up.
The perfusion rate has increased. Look at the variable shift in the anterior wall.
Yes, the myocardial oxygen demand is stable. The predictive model holds. It's fully viable. This 3D model shows the flow clearly. The artificial valve is designed to last decades.
And the recovery time is shorter with this model.
That's correct.
Vitals look good across the board, ready to confirm stability.
Agreed. All parameters are well within the acceptable range.
All right, we're almost at the main entrance now. Your wife is waiting there.
Thank you both so much for everything.
Angles. The predictive model shows a slight elevation in risk scores for the cohort in Sector 3, but the recovery metrics remain stable.
The data suggests the new treatment plan is working effectively.
That's a relief. So I just continue as prescribed.
Yes, exactly. Keep monitoring your blood pressure. The recovery trend for the biosynthetic heart is stabilizing faster than anticipated.
Yes, the aggregated data confirms a significant reduction in readmission rates.
Excellent. The Berlin package just cleared customs. Monitor vitals closely for the next leg. I'm concerned about the long-term data on rejection rates shown here.
My clinical experience suggests we proceed with caution on this specific design.
The nanoscaffold is complete on the kidney.
Initiate the final AI diagnostic sequence. The AI has achieved optimal parameters for the pulsation.
Confirmed. The data streams are aligning across all metrics.
As you can see, the integration of the bioprinted ventricle is nearly complete. This artificial heart valve...
Focus on the tremor reduction setting there. Steady pressure on the left foot pedal.
Understood, doctor. I see the stabilization now.
The systemic impact is clear. We can begin phase 1 integration by Q3.
Agreed. The regulatory hurdles are the main challenge.
Everything seems to be in order here. Agreed. The data aligns perfectly with the standards.
The replication rate on the synthetic tissue is exceeding projections.
Agreed. The perfusion metrics are stable across all platforms. It's ready for phase 2 trials.
The synchronization pulse is stabilizing across the European grid.
Confirmation. The localized surges are normalizing.